Hey guys, quick video here. If your Ninja Creami is stuck on the install light and looking for how to possibly fix the issue and how you can even reset it. So the thing is that someone wrote here, try clicking the turn on button again and releasing the ball, set the ball to its place again. And another thing, mine did this when I inserted the blade and turned the lever all the way over the lock instead of letting lock itself. So try to do this. Someone even wrote here that it helped them. This is another thing that you can try if it's not working. And if you want to like unplug it for like 5-7 minutes and plug it back in, this is how you can like perform a reset. And even someone wrote here, this just happened to me when I press power. When I realized I selected the wrong cycle, I want to sorbet but press light. I pressed power off. Now it won't give me any processing options. And you just want to completely unplug it 5-7 minutes and it should work out then. So yeah, try it out. Maybe it's going to fix it for you.